Are you Team Stark or Team Lannister? That's what I need to know. And then this used to have like little tassels on it, but this one I got in 2019, I think. So it also has like roller, it's cute. Another one I have is this, but it's also a light. I could use that for like doctor roleplay. It's cute. Sorry if I just kind of like made it a rave. She bends. She's flexible. So that's cute. Those are some of the bookmarks I have. Another one, I'll show you. Let's take a look. I think this is a cat. Yeah. This one I got in 2018. Adorable. I have these cute bookmarks